Hello viewer, here we are going to create the designs there. So we have generated a design. We will choose a color from that. So let's make the further design. So here make the further shapes as well. So here we are make the more designs as well. Again keep on making the design.